What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to auto log out inactive users from a WordPress website and how to add a tracking solution to prevent and to protect your site, okay? Into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, navigate to WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress dashboard, on your browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin and enter with email or username and password. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. In the upper right corner of your screen, there is an empty field called Search Plugins. Click and type Inactive Logout, just like this. And here is the guide we are looking for by Deepen. Click on Install Now. Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see of the present plugins on your site, and you're gonna be able to find the inactive logout. We have two buttons, settings and deactivate. We're gonna move to settings. Another method to access WordPress plugin settings is review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over settings and hit the submenu New Item Inactive Logout. Right here we have a couple of options. IDLA Timeout. We have 15 minutes, but you can customize this to any type you want. The message content, you've been timed out due to the inactivity. Please choose to stay, send or log off. Otherwise, you will be logged out automatically. There is other message that you can type on your language or leave as it is. We have timeout countdown period. We have 10 seconds or up to you. Disable timeout, show pop-up message, enable countdown, redirection settings, enable redirection. Up to you. You can redirect to a home page, to account page, to a shop page, to a blog, up to you and to your needs. Prevent multiple logins. This is a nice option to keep things secure. We have some header text and other examples that you can play with. We have a rule-based option, okay, so multi-rule timeout, up to you. User-based, but this is a pro feature. We have support and some useful links, and the option to go pro. But as it is, the plugin it's really simple to use, works fast, works great, and works for free. Let me know into the comment section below in the case that you need any question, you need any help, or have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!